What's up, HEALTHYOU crew? This child wants to show how short I am.
No, let's win this now. Right? This is my beautiful mother.
Boy, please, move. Your tall backside, sure. What's up, HEALTHYOU crew? Welcome back to my channel, guys. So tonight, guys, we're gonna bake ham. So come and join me to see how we're gonna bake this ham. Simple, easy peasy, nothing hard about it, right? So Vlogmas 24. Okay, guys, I could have swear I purchased ham. So apparently this is chicken ham. I don't know it had chicken ham, if it ever existed or what. So people, we going on. Lord Jesus, will you help me? And this ham is $168. Erin Farm. Oh my God. But nevertheless, let me check it up. I don't know if to look inside it, if it has guts inside, or what the case is. I want to see. It looking like,
You're looking plain enough.
it looking like it ain't had no guts in it.
Yeah.
But oh my God, first time in my whole entire life, you know. I say, boy, I done clean what costs already. ham.
Yes.
Well, this year I'm going to my sister for ham. I'm knocking down the two of them doors, and I tell them, I come with a plate and I want ham. Alright, people, so we chuck up the
chicken ham.
The chicken ham. We putting clove now. We're sticking it with clove
In the hole, so you can get some of that drizzling sweetness when you come out of the oven.
Yeah, Mr. Bacon, like if you know what you're talking about. You know what you're talking about?
Yes.
Oh Lord, so honestly, I real mad here right now because
Shouldn't be mad. Ham is ham. This is just a different type of ham.
yeah, but we never had it the first time though.
It's still ham at the end of the day.
Yeah, it's still ham, but we go see how it tastes. And it shouldn't take long like the normal ham, because a normal ham does take about 5 hours.
30 minutes.
5 hours.
It is take that?
Yes, it does take 5 hours to bake or more, according to the size of the ham. So guys, I'm just going on just stick this up. So I just putting it here, and I'm going to foil it up. I'll put more foil on it, and I'll put it in the oven and check on it. So this, that's all I do. Just put clove because I know like no glaze and all that. That glaze I find is throw off the ham taste. And this here you see is chicken ham, my lord. I don't know if it should need any kind of glaze at all. What do you think?
No, but everybody in the comments, comment down below if you want to change it to charm instead of chicken ham.
Oh my goodness.
It's too long.
Alright people, so we will see how this turns out. So guys, let's see how this turns out. Okay. It's ready chicken ham. I don't know how to get the ham like this. Oh my God. It is chicken ham. It was left out a little while, so you know, I'll leave it to cool off a little bit. So guys, it's just clove. Put it in the oven for an hour and a half, and voila, chicken is cooked fast. So I hope that this tastes like ham, and probably it will taste as chicken as at the same time. I don't know. What do you think?
Probably.
Well, we see. So we enjoy myself here tonight as well, because we have some pastel boiling. So we eating another, you know, bread and ham, and we having our pastels, so yes guys, pastel again. Alright guys, so I have bread here. It's not homemade bread, but it's something for now because the homemade bread ain't come out yet. My sister said she would make homemade bread, so let me cut this ham now. Today is the season to be cutting the ham here now. It's looking like real ham. Well, it is ham, but you know what I mean. So take all the cloves and you're putting your chicken ham on your bread. So guys, ooh, it's hot. Alright guys, so we will taste it now and see how that goes. So guys, we're gonna taste it. We're gonna taste the chicken ham. It tastes like ham. I was concerned for a bit, but I'm okay now. If I the ketchup and the pepper, I ain't put it with, you know, plenty things. And you know, it tasting good. So I'll finish this. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas. So guys, please like, comment and subscribe. Almost at 100 subscribers. Yeah. So guys, thank you for, you know, tuning into another Vlogmas, guys. Tomorrow is the 25th. And so I think tomorrow is the last day of Vlogmas. I'm not too sure. I had to find out, but I believe so. So I hope you guys would like, comment and subscribe, and shout out to all my HEALTHYOU crew. And good night. Bye.